going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all remember my Z? Well, guess what? After months, I'm finally going to be working on it. I told my friend, and I feel bad because it's just been sitting at his house for months. When I was like, max, give me like 1 month so I could get it out of there. And I took months and months and months and months and months and months, and I'm finally going to be working on it. So I don't know if I showed you guys the damages. Basically, the frame is bent. There's like a control arm that is really bent, so it's making the wheel hit the fender. It's just very crooked. It does not move at all. Also, the radiator is broken. But before I fix any of that, I'm just gonna fix the control arm because I want the wheel to be straight. I already took off the wheels I put on it. I'm going back to the wheels it came with, the forged rays. This is the control arm I'm talking about. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all when I'm there. Alright, y'all, so here's the damn car. Basically, this control arm, or which one is it? There's like fucking two. It's a weird car. But this is the damage. Wheel, I don't know if it's bent. This wheel is inside the wood. But it just debeated, so the wheel might be good. I'm gonna take the wheel off and, you know, see if it's fucking bent or not. Balance it and sell the wheels. But look at this. This shit. I think it's locked. Yeah. I forgot the key. But hopefully this shit don't start honking. So this is the arm. It's hella bent, bro. Look how it's supposed to be. And look how it is. I'm kind of worried because this fucking nut is so big. Pause. I don't think I have the right socket for it. So I'm gonna have to wait till my friend comes home because I don't have the fucking socket to fit this nut.
Sí, compras las luces y esto y vas a ver que lo vas a vender mucho mejor precio.
Bro, what the fuck?
Sí.
Okay, that's crazy.
Here, do you mind if I take this light?
Yeah, here.
Take this light off.
There's a 10 on there. So the frame isn't bent.
No. Este se lo puedes pegar para que no compres otro nuevo para venderlo nada más, Brian.
Pues está bien, creo que está bien. Nomás una goma.
Esta cosa, ¿dónde va?
Que va a ser de esto.
Oh, es otro de este.
¿Dónde?
Oh, ya estaba, ya lo habían quebrado antes.
Ah, es ese ahí. ¿Qué
Ok.
importa?
Pégalo con cola loca, mira. Crazy glue.
Y ahí tengo también.
Cola loca. Sí.
Ahí tengo,
Así
creo.
se llama en español.
Alright, y'all, so this is the radiator in the new core support. Radiator is a bit different. Mine don't got that. It is dark as fuck, but I connected these hoses. What else? The fucking fan. I lost to 8 or 10s that go in there, and then I'm about to put this bolt. I didn't record because I needed to get this shit done, but I need to align this. I put everything here, connected the fucking hoses. I mean, I could put coolant now, and then I should be able to start it. So I'm gonna just put this in real quick. Also, I'm missing 2 hoses. I need to do the water hoses. This
this hose right here. And I lost the other hose. Alright, we filling this up with some water. Everything is on. Hopefully it works. I'm missing all the fucking water. Oh, it's full now. Okay. So far, no leaks. Only leaking because I threw water everywhere. But I'm gonna move the truck up here because this shit is dead. And I forgot to put this shit. It goes under the fucking core support. But my dumbass forgot to put it. So yeah, here's it built a little bit. I gotta still replace that fucking control arm. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. This is bent. It's the headlight thingy. Honestly, I think I could put this light. Car might be a bit bent, not gonna lie, because these holes on that side don't line, and that's might be a sign of them, of the car being bent a bit. But I'm gonna just sell it as is, bro. Maybe like 2K, 3K. I'm gonna try to get as much as I could, but yeah, good drift car for sure. I'm gonna move the truck now. All right, go ahead. Oh shit! Damn. Started right up. Might be a bit noisy because the van or the serpentine lugs, they're wet. So you guys might hear a bit of squeaking or scraping. Damn, any lights on? All of them, holy shit. Oh, actually, just the airbag light. Yeah. How much miles has it got? 116. Damn. Damn, I wish I had the control arm on. I want to drive it. Damn, this tire is flat as fuck. What the hell? Alright, y'all, today is the day I actually replaced this control arm. Somewhere down there. I'm out of breath, bro. I was jacking this thing up. But for protection, I got this. I'm gonna try to finish real quick to take off this damn little control arm. I have to take this whole thing off all across the fucking car. So I'm gonna hurry up because I gotta get this on the road. Recording this shit. Bro. Dude, imagine how strong you gotta be to bend this shit though, bro. Fuck. Oh shit. Look at that, goddamn. Hopefully it's easy to put in. Shit. Where did I even take it out from? Oh shit. Oh shit, hold on, put it up. I forgot the other fucking car jack is in the other side. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. Alright, you can drop it. Nah, you're good. I don't care. Okay. Fuck, dude, I think it's gonna hit. Alright, let me get the truck over here. We gotta jump it. Nah. Damn, I forgot how this shit drove. Yeah, we need an alignment though.
gotta go all the way up there and just turn on that street?
Yeah.
Yeah, just do that.
I got some lights.
Some lights are coming on?
No check engine, just like the ABS sensor and shit.
Oh, okay. EDC and all that?
I'm gonna make sure this shit don't overheat though.
Yeah, keep a close eye on that.
It's going up, bro.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like a lot, or?
It's going up fast.
Oh, shit. It could be the sensors. Maybe they're not plugged in. Or do you want to just turn around as soon as you can?
Yeah, it's overheated.
Oh, fuck.
It overheated. Fuck, where's the...
Fuck. There's not a road. Try to like turn around on this. That's what I always do.
I'm gonna shut it off right here. Alright, y'all, what up, what up? That's the end of the video. Thank you if you made it to the end. Another car is sold. I didn't end up fixing the overheating issue. I literally just left the deal right now, look. So basically, I did post the car for sale as it was sitting, all dirty and stuff like that, for $3,800. I paid $5.9 for it, and I did buy some stuff for it. If you guys watched my old video, you guys will know what I bought for it, and I resprayed the whole car, and I spent a good amount of money on it. So in total, I probably spent like close to 9 grand on the car. And I sold it for 2.8K. I know, big loss. At this point, the reason I sold it so low was because, one, it's overheating. It's nothing serious. I'm 100% positive it's nothing serious. I just didn't bleed the coolant system. That could be the issue, or the thermostat is just stuck closed, you know? I'm not a scammer, guys. I literally told him everything. I told him to bring a trailer. You know what this dude pulled up in? He pulled in a Honda Accord, which was kind of crazy, but I was like, yo, you guys, I recommended a trailer. But he said he has an uncle that lives like 15 minutes away with the trailer, so not bad. It hurts that I lost so much money on the car, but I just needed to get rid of the car ASAP. The car has been sitting at my friend's house since the day I crashed it, and it's been close to a year. When I told him, bro, maximum give me 1 month. 1 month turned into close to a year. So thanks, Luis, I appreciate it. Thank you to your mom and dad, I love y'all. I really appreciate it. I really wouldn't know where I would have stored the car if I wasn't able to leave it at your house for so long. And now we just got to get rid of the K-van now. Drive safe, guys. This shit is crazy. I'm lucky I'm alive. I'm lucky the fucking airbag didn't explode on my face, because I was this close. Look, I'm not even lying. I was this fucking close to the steering wheel when I crashed. It was just not my time to fucking die, you know? God was like, nah, bro, you're way too young. I gotta see you do the shit you plan on doing, you know? So, thank God I'm alive. I was being an idiot. Only reason I went out that night was because my girlfriend for Christmas bought me the Instago 3 little camera I was putting on my head for that POV drive, and I just wanted to test the camera out so bad and take my friend Luis his Christmas gift. But that night went horribly wrong. So drive safe, guys, and I'll catch y'all next time.